So you're doing some spring cleaning and you want to make a new folder the fast way. So let's say you are a creative professional who likes to keep your desktop busy and things got bad and now it's time to clean up. The easiest way to do that is to make a folder, and I'm going to show you the 3 coolest ways for how to make a folder from least cool to most cool. Least cool is you grab your mouse and you do a right click on the desktop or wherever you want it. On the trackpad it's a 2-finger click, and then you go new folder. You can give it a name and then you can drag stuff into it like that. Second most cool is the keyboard command, Command-Shift-N, for people who are more comfortable with keyboard commands, where you can name it and then you can drag things into that folder. Most cool of all is to select the things that you want to have in the folder first, so you can drag a box around them, or you can command-click individual ones that you don't want to have in the selection. And then you do Command-Control-N on the keyboard, and that makes a new folder with the selection that you had. How cool is that? This is most cool. And the keyboard command for that, it's a little hard to remember, but it's under the File menu as well. You can see New Folder with Selection, Control-Command-N, or you can do a right-click and go New Folder with Selection, 22 items. Boom, Mac Epiphany. To get these life-changing tips in PDF format, just head to macinhome.com/shortcuts.